I picked up this Tektronix oscilloscope, and I thought I'd show it with you guys. So, before I made this video, I opened it up and just kind of looked around inside, and it was really cool. So I found out that this is from the 1965, or that's what the PCB board said inside. So let's just open it up. It says Western Union on the front. This here is a front protective case. So we'll open it up, and then that front case, has a little door here. You open up, and then there's the probes, or one probe's in there right now, the other one is hanging on my desk, and then it comes with some silver solder there, because these were all silver solder was used. So here's the oscilloscope. I'll get a little closer. And when I first got it, it actually wasn't working. I had to open it up, and there was just a little dial in there that was turned the wrong way. So turn that, and it was working. So I guess I'll turn it on, kind of show you the trace. Let me turn off the light here. Okay, so pull this out. It kind of takes a second to warm up. We will turn the intensity up. Here. See if we can see the trace. Here it is. Let me turn down the intensity for the camera. There we go. Okay, right now I have it at 5 milliseconds per division. So I'll speed it up so it's a little easier to see the straight line here. I'll just turn it up all the way. So yeah. That's it. After this, I'm going to hook it up to an Arduino with a pulsing signal of 50 milliseconds on, 50 milliseconds off. Okay, now you can see that pulsing signal. So let me turn down the time base here. There you go. So now you can see our DC signal. See, that's at 10 milliseconds, 20 milliseconds, and 50 milliseconds. Now when we actually go into seconds, 0.5 seconds, looking interesting. But yeah, I think my preferred view would be this. Maybe slow it down a little. No, yeah, right there actually. And then you can, this has a times 10 magnification. Oh, did my probe get disconnected? Yeah, it did. Okay, there we go. Times 10 magnification here. Now you can see it going up, down, up, down. That'd probably be best. That's at times 10 magnification. And then to turn it off, you just put it back in. So, yeah, might be kind of hard for the camera to pick up on what's going on. Let me do the intensity. Yeah. yeah, so that's basically it working. I don't have a pulse generator right now, so I wouldn't be able to show you a sine wave, but I will later. So let me just disconnect this and just turn this back up. This is a 15 megahertz oscilloscope. Yeah, like I said, it's made in 1965, and it's a good scope. Analog oscilloscope. Tektronix makes really good scopes. And like I said, the seller that I got it from said it worked, but there's something wrong with this level here, the horizon level, because I'm pretty sure it should still work when this is down. That goes to auto. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching this video. My channel would not be possible without everybody at HomeLink supporting me. That would include Pablo, Jacob, Alyssa, Connor, Julia, Olivia, and Isaac. So thanks, guys. Yeah, and see you next week with another video. I'll have more videos about this also in the upcoming video. So thanks. Bye.